In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gumroad account and start selling. We'll keep this simple and clear. First, open your browser and go to gumroad.com. Make sure you're on the official site, spelled correctly, and that you see the secure padlock in your address bar. This ensures you're in the right place before you enter into any information. Once the home page loads, look for the Start Selling button. It's usually near the top of the page. Click it to begin creating your account. Interface layouts can shift over time, but the wording is consistent, so if you don't see it immediately, look in the header or main hero section. Now choose how you want to sign up. You can create a new account with your email and a strong password, or you can continue with an existing account from Facebook, Google, X, formerly Twitter, or even connect with Stripe. If you pick email and password, use a unique password you don't use anywhere else. If you choose a linked account, you'll be asked to authorize that connection, which simply lets Gumroad verify your identity without you creating another password. Next, Gumroad will send an authentication token to the account you used. Think of this token as a one-time code that confirms you really own the email address linked to your sign-up choice. Sometimes this arrives as a short numeric code. Other times it's a magic link. Either way, it serves the same purpose: secure verification. Head over to your email inbox and locate the message from Gumroad. If you don't see it within a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folders. Open the email, copy the token, or click the link provided, then return to Gumroad and paste the token into the verification field if prompted. Never share this code publicly. It grants temporary access to your account setup. Keep the Gumroad tab open while you fetch the token so you can paste it without losing your place. If the message hasn't arrived after a few minutes, use the resend option on the verification screen and double check that you entered your address correctly. These codes are time limited for your security. If one expires, simply request a fresh token and use the latest email you receive. Once the token is accepted, you're done. Your Gumroad account is created and you should land on your new dashboard. From here, you can explore settings, add products, and customize your profile whenever you're ready. If anything looks different on your screen, don't worry. Follow the same labels and prompts and the process will work the same.